First, uh, it's we all live together, all for one and one for all. So it's a very big endeavor by Dhirendra and his team of friends. The friends who are visible, Mr. Satyam, Miss Aditi, then Miss uh, Maitreyi, and the unseen friends also who have contributed to this massive endeavor. And my heartfelt appreciation and thanks to all the attendees, all the invitees, all the participants. Participant is a little too impersonal word. So I would like to, anyway, make it a much more personal. Uh, I am K. Sadasivarao, 69 mechanical, and joining in Raurkela in 64. So in my blog, all those humorous anecdotes, they have all been mentioned. Uh, my respects to the teachers uh, and our other senior members also. I thought I'll make it brief really as Mr. Dhirendra has requested because we are really short of time. Colonel Tripathi ji, Professor Bhuvaneshwar Behra had only one lung, if you recall, if you have heard that. He had only one lung,
Yes,
not
yes.
two lungs. One was plucked out. Second thing, uh, he had a black Hillman car and he used to drive it in such a way, we used to tell that by the time he reaches the college, we also will be reaching the classes. Number two. And number three is he belongs to the first batch of India Reconstruction Engineering batch, where he went to the Iowa University. And after completing his Iowa uh, post graduation, he joined the Tennessee Valley Corporation and did his higher studies in dam engineering. He belongs to the elite class of KL Rao and A.N. Khosla, who was the governor of Orissa at that time. So there is a lot of interplay. And another interesting part is that in 61, when our college started, one Mr. A.N. Banerjee was the chief general manager. That was the designation at the time at the Rourkela Steel Plant and belongs to the first batch. He was IAS and he belongs to the first batch of and only batch of Government of India IMP or Indian Management Pool. So this was the type of networking they had. Now I am coming back to the networking part, but I again go back. This is the famous book of Professor Behra ji. It was written in Odia and translated into English. And this is he has written a few books. He was not a very prolific. He had all the greatness, but he was a. This is a Sahitya Academy winning book, this particular book. So this is about him. And then another aspect that was mentioned, the connectivity about Nagabhushaniya, Professor Nagabhushaniya, it's very well known. And we had our electrical engineering professor, Dr. A.K. Dasgupta. He was educated, I mean, all these, they are really greats. Dr. Nagabhushaniya, Dr. Dasgupta, Professor A.N. Banerjee, all these people, T.N. Subramaniam of mechanical, all these people. So that Mr. Dasgupta, electrical, in the final year, he will invite in batches of 10 or 15 electrical engineering boys to his home, and the husband-wife team will serve a full food, evening dinner, to the final year outgoing students, and cooked by Mrs. Dasgupta. This was the sort of uh, mold he laid down, a structure sort of it during his tenure. And then we had Dr. Nalini Ranjan Mahanti, who is now one of the governors of the board of governors, one of the members of the board of governors of NIT. He is from the first batch, 1961, 65 batch. He graduated in 65 and he joined in engineering services, Indian engineering services, highly decorated. He is a Padma Shri and he retired as CMD of HAL. And he taught us, and he was a great teacher also. In the stopgap, in the interregnum, before joining the Indian engineering services, Dr. Nalini Ranjan Mahanti. Then in the same batch, we had another great man by the name Mr. Akshay Das. He came, he's from Ravenshaw, and I myself and my wife, we both are from Ravenshaw College, Cuttack. He came after BSc and he did his 4-year engineering, and he also joined in Indian engineering services. In the valedictory function, when everyone was advising in their own ways, Mr. Das said that don't follow any of the rules. You know what is good for you. Of course, he was a great engineer, electrical engineer. He went into Indian engineering services. Then, of course, we have our own venerable Professor Pani. In our valedictory function, he said, when we were quitting in 69, you see, we professors will be advising you. And that is something, it is inevitable for us. And we cannot give up the habit. We keep advising you. So in those days, there were steam engines driving the steam locomotives, driving the trains. So he said, when you come to Rourkela or go to any other place, your parents will be coming and seeing you off. And the last advice they will be telling you, don't jhankofy, don't peep out of the window and watch, because coal dust will fall into your eyes. So we teachers in this institution are something like that. So I think our Yogita had recited a verse that was indeed beautiful. मुझे कुछ पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं, उसका थोड़ा सा अलग मीनिंग भी है. गुजरा हुआ जमाना आता नहीं दोबारा, हाफिज खुदा तुम्हारा, खुशियां हैं 4 दिन की. और बाकी नहीं बताऊंगा क्योंकि ये पल इतनी खुशियों की हैं कि बाकी बयान करना वो सही नहीं होगा. Then our classmate was the director of NIT, Dr. Sunil Shadangi. If you recall, if any of our old friends will recall. And Lalmohan and Sunil Shadangi and Lakshmikanta Tripathi, they were all in the West Hostel, Ravenshaw College. Am I correct, Lalmohan? I think
Lakshmikant Tripathi was in West Hostel, but Sunil Shadangi and me were in New Hostel.
In the New Hostel.
Yeah.
So the New Hostel and the West Hostel are allotted. There is a pecking order in those days, because I also did my PU in Ravenshaw College. So the pecking order is the good students will get into the West Hostel and the New Hostel. East Hostel is intended for some other purpose, for some other. These are on the humorous side. And then Professor Alok Satpathy ji has really brought out the greatness of ascent of an institution. From a college, we got elevated to an institution, national level. Then from engineering, it has gone to technology. It is said that when the Yale University was founded, I'm not mentioning about others, it was said that initially it is the individuals, within bracket unsaid is remarkable, individuals set up the institutions. Later on, those institutions throw up into the society extraordinary individuals, remarkable individuals. So I am just adding up, sir, Professor Satpathy. I am adding to in continuum what you have said. Beautiful things. Then another thing I was contemplating in the last few days. I wanted to give this book to my sons-in-law also. It is so well written. It is so good, so beautiful. I wanted to pass it on to my sons-in-laws also. Number two. Number three, the title of the book, there is a word stupidity. Well, there is a famous saying, to be happy in life, some stupidity is required. So, stupidity is a beautiful thing. As it is said, ignorance is bliss. So, to be happy in life. Is my time over, Dhirendra? I have to come to a close. I'm ready for that also.
No, sir.
But
No,
I
sir.
just,
I just turned my video on to show you that I was smiling. You please carry on, sir.
no, I would like to be conscious about the time part. I have grown up. I have lived through the technology, apartheid technology denial regime. But still we delivered at the end of the day. I worked in the nuclear power sector. Immediately after my graduation, I went to IIT Kharagpur. Then I remember when I was going, when I got the call joining requirement when I was going to Bombay from Kharagpur by the express. In those days, there were not many trains. There was two expresses. One mail, Howrah mail, Howrah Bombay mail, and Howrah. I'm using the word Howrah. I didn't use the word sophisticated word Howrah. Bombay Express. So one gentleman was sitting with me in the train, and he said, "आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?" मैंने कहा ऐसे मेरे को बड़ी कॉलर उठा के बड़ी दम से बोला कि मेरे को क्लास 1 गेस्टेड पोस्ट मिली है तो जा रहा हूँ. तो वो सेठ को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया क्लास 1 क्या होता है वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. तो उसने कहा कि आपको कितना तनख्वाह मिलेगा. तो हमने बोला कुछ फिगर. It was in hundreds, not even thousands. Then he said, मेरे जो फैक्ट्री में जो काम करते हैं मैं उनसे ज्यादा देता हूं, आप आ जाओ मेरे पास. I mean, we wade through all these goings around us. इर्द गिर्द हमारी जो इर्द गिर्द घटनाएं घटती रहती हैं, सोच जो है. तो here I wanted to add, after all these things, it's a great endeavor and we have to sustain it. That is what is my earnest desire. One thing that has been highlighted is I'm using the word networking. Professor Satpathy said, my own grandchildren are what he said about the online studies and all that. I am really worried about my grandchildren. How will their personality grow up with the present day lifestyle of single child and two child syndrome? What kind of personality they will grow up? It's definitely a matter of anxiety. Definitely for not only for the parents or the grandparents, it has to be thought in a different perspective at a much higher level. I think that is being thought about already. Another thing what I felt is, okay, by the way, I forgot to tell, Professor Bhubaneswar Behera has been awarded, has been honored with the Utkala Ratna Award. That is something I think old allegiances, one may think, how much do you recall the old? Yeah, old is like the rear view mirror in a car, and the future is like the massive, clear front view, this thing. Another thing is, I strongly feel about what I am going to say to you. When we go back to our institutions, we should feel, we must be made to feel, not that we should feel, we must be made to feel that we are welcome in the institution. Apathy, it is said, Hatred is human. Indifference is inhuman. Hatred is not hating. It means my personal likes and dislikes are but human. We are natural. But indifference and apathy are inhuman. And we should be, sir, when in 2019, Professor Satpathy, we just gathered our batch 69. We have been holding a get together every year since 1994. That is our bid on completing 25 years. When we went in 2019 for our 50th year, impromptu, I was invited by Professor Subudhi to give a talk. Impromptu. There was a gap of around 2 hours or so between two events. And it was very nice of Professor Subudhi. I thought, I think I could satisfy to some extent. This is my experience of 2019. But still, I will say the institute should make us feel that we are welcome. Because in IITs and IIMs, particularly IIMs, it's an event. And the institute respects and it honors its alumni with many ways. Professors, the directors, they all gather together. I think many of you may be knowing these things. Then my last point I wanted to highlight is to continue this event. Can we have, I am not so very computer savvy or techno savvy. I have a thought whether we can have a quarterly e-magazine where all of us can contribute on any topic, on any other than politics, any other, their family photographs, their family stories, or anything. Can we make this a suggestion to the editorial board and our esteemed learned professors to think about these things? I am thankful to you for lending me a very patient ear. I'm thankful to you. Thank you. And wishing this grows up big and big and big.